In this video, we explain how modern linear actuator systems are designed, assembled, and installed in automation applications. A linear actuator system is more than a single axis. It combines actuator design, mechanical integration, wiring, control architecture, and system-level coordination. This becomes especially important when multiple linear actuators are used within one machine or automation module. In electric linear actuator systems, installation quality directly affects performance. Precise alignment, rigid mounting, and clean actuator wiring are essential to achieve accuracy, repeatability, and long service life. At ENI Science, linear actuator modules such as Linax and the LAX are designed as modular building blocks. These actuator modules can be combined into XY tables, gantry systems, or multi-axis arrangements while keeping integration effort low and system geometry compact. When explaining actuator assembly, several factors are critical. Mechanical alignment must prevent preload on the guides. Actuator wires must be strain relieved and routed to avoid bending stress. A clean wiring concept simplifies commissioning and reduces long-term wear. In systems with multiple linear actuators, coordinated motion is handled at the control level. Xenox servo controllers are integrated into the customer's PLC environment where synchronization, sequencing, and system logic are implemented. Xenox supports common industrial field bus systems such as EtherCAT, Profinet, Ethernet IP, and PowerLink, allowing seamless integration into existing automation architectures. Linear actuator design also plays a key role. Direct drive electric actuators reduce mechanical complexity, eliminate backlash, and enable smooth motion profiles. Combined with integrated feedback and optional force monitoring using ForceTech, actuator systems can be optimized for precise position and controlled force applications. In summary, reliable linear motion is achieved through proper actuator installation, clean assembly, modular actuator design, and correct integration into the machine control system. This system-level approach turns individual linear actuators into scalable and predictable motion solutions. If you want to learn more about it, feel free to explore our other videos. Thank you for watching.